In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add links to Weebly. Whether you're directing your visitors to another page on your website, an external site, or even a specific image or document, creating links is an essential skill to enhance your site's navigation and user experience. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can effortlessly add links to your Weebly site. First things first, you'll want to be in the website editor within your Weebly account. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're there, identify the element to which you'd like to add a link. It could be a simple piece of text, a catchy header that captures interest, an engaging image, or even a functional button. The possibilities are quite flexible, allowing you to tailor your user experience exactly how you envision it. Once you've chosen your element, click on it. This action triggers the unveiling of a set of formatting tools at your disposal. Among these tools, you'll find an icon that resembles a chain link. This is the key to linking your chosen element. Click on this chain link icon, and voila! You're on your way to creating a hyperlink. At this point, you have a decision to make. You can link the element to another page within your own website, an excellent way to guide users through the myriad of content you have created. Alternatively, if you wish to direct visitors to an external site, you have the option to choose Website URL. Selecting Website URL enables you to paste any URL you'd like to link to, making it easy and efficient to connect your visitors to external resources or affiliated sites. Once you've chosen the appropriate link destination and confirmed your choice, you're all set. You've successfully added a link to your Weebly site, enhancing its interactivity and navigation. It really is as simple as that. Adding links not only improves the flow of information, but also contributes significantly to the overall functionality and professionalism of your website. So, whether you're a small business owner, a blogger, or just someone looking to share information, mastering this straightforward process will serve you and your site well in the long run. Thank you for tuning in to learn about adding links to your Weebly site. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials on optimizing your website's potential. Feel free to share what kind of links you plan to add in the comments below. Until next time, happy linking!